At number 13, the graph of the function f in the xy plane above is a parabola, which of the following defines f. Okay, so we're looking for an equation to represent this graph and to define this parabola. And look at all these equations, they are all in the vertex form. Okay, so the vertex form of the parabola is like this. Again, says y equal to a times parentheses x minus h squared plus k. Okay, and this form h comma k, this represents the vertex of the parabola. Okay, h comma k is a vertex of the parabola. And if you look at the graph, where is our vertex? Well, that's the lowest point on the graph, right? So for a parabola, is the vertex is either the lowest point or the highest point. So it's like the tip of the graph. Right, so 3, 1, this is a vertex. Okay, so which means 3, 1 is a vertex, then the h value will be 3, the k value will be 1. Okay, so you can just go ahead and plug in into the equation, plug in what we have. We know the h value is 3, k value is 1, so you can say this is y equal to a times x minus h, which is 3, square that, plus the k value, which is 1. Okay. And then after that, what we can do is we can, we still need to figure out what a is, right? Okay, but at least we can eliminate from our answer choice, we can eliminate b and d, okay? Because there's going to be x minus 3 in the parentheses, and then a plus 1, okay? Yeah, so in the parentheses is always kind of backward, okay? So it's x minus h, so the x value of the vertex 3, it would be x minus 3 in the parentheses. So to solve for a, what we can do is we can plug in a point. Okay, we can try plugging in a point and solve for a. So for example, we picked a point 4, 5. So we can plug it in when 5 is the y value, right? X value is 4. Okay, so we can plug in accordingly. So plug in 5 for y and then 4 for x, and we can use this equation to solve for the a value. Right, which will be 5 equal to 4 minus 3 squared. 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 squared is still 1. So this will just be a plus 1. And to solve for a, we do minus 1 on both sides. A equal to 4. Okay, a equal to 4. So now we have our a value. We can rewrite the equation. It should be y equal to 4 times x minus 3 squared plus 1. Okay, and that should be our equation, which is letter A for number 13. Okay. Yep, so that's how we do algebraically. We could also just try the answer choices by plugging in the point. Okay, so again, we can plug in 2, 5 or 4, 5 have to work when you plug in for all the points. Okay, yeah, so for number 13, our final answer is letter A.